Morning everybody. In previous live classes so many important topics we had learned from chapter 4, but due to network problem few topic was left which we are going to read here. But before this I am going to remind you which topic we had learned. You can see setting paragraph spacing, setting margins, exact margin measurement, and also setting paper orientation and setting paper size, and so many topics we had learned in previous live classes. But just now we are going to read previewing a document. Previewing means see the document before printing. This helps us to check our document before printing. If there is any incorrect or problem in our document, then we can edit it. That's why we use preview options. To preview our document there are so many ways, but I am going to show you how you can preview. First we have to click the office button or file menu. We have to select any ones. If we have the older application, then you will find office button, and if you have new application, then you will find file buttons. After this we have to select the print preview option if we have older version, but if we have the new versions of application software, then we will find print options. And after that we have to change the settings according to our needs, which I am going to show you on the computer screen. Again you can see one page is here, and if we want to print this document, then simply we have to click on the file menu. You can see here is a file menu, and after clicking on file menu this type of option and detail will appears. From here we have to select any menus we want to print, so we have to select the print options. You can see here is a print options. So after clicking on print, this type of option will appears. This is for previewing a document. Okay, you can see the all documents. You can increase the font size, also zoom in by clicking on zoom in option. You can see, and if there is any incorrect in this, then you can edit. Our next topic is print a document. There are so many ways to print a document. Here only two ways are written. First, step by step printing, and second by using shortcut key. If you want to use this step, that means step by step, simply we have to click on the office button or file menu. Second, we have to select the print options. Second, if you want by using shortcut key, then simply you have to click on control key, and also you have to use P key. That means control plus P is the shortcut key for the printing a document. After this we have to change the desired setting according to our needs, which I am going to show you what setting we can do. When we will click on file menu, you can see here this type of menu will appear. Here we have to select the print options, and after selecting the print option this type of window will appear. Here we have to change the setting. Here has given the print custom range. So if you want to print all pages, then you can select the all pages, but if you want to print only a particular page, then you can give the page numbers. If you want to print page number 1 to 4, then simply we can write 1 and we can separate it with the space, and also we can press the 4. That means it will print only page 1 to 4. According to our need we can select. Also here is given the print one sided. That means here we can change. If you want to print only in the front side of the paper, then you can select this, and if you want to change the setting, that means if you want to print on both sides, then you can select the this option. And next is here has given so many topics as collected, paper size and paper orientation, paper size, and so many options as given there. According to our need you can change here. After changing the settings, we have to select the print type. That means which type of printers is connected with our computers. So you can see after clicking on this option you will find which type of printer is connected. So actually there is only Canon printers, but it's in another room. So if it possible, then I will show you another classes how the print will done. But now I'm going to show you. First here we have to select our printer, and after selecting the printer we have to click on the print option. But before this you can select the copies, how many copy you needed. If you need one copy, then you can say select here one. If you want to 2 or 3 copy, then according to your needs you can write here copies name and also sorry copies numbers, and then we have to click on the print option. After this you will find after few seconds another menu will appears like this, and here there is no printers connected, so they are given the printer is offline. If your printer will be connected, then your option will be a print or cancel. So if we want to print, then you can click on the print, otherwise you can click on the cancel. Like this is all activity you have to try to do at your homes. And in next live classes we will I will explain few next topics. But if there is no network